everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today I have a very special announcement for you, and I am super excited because we are the very first craft and DIY channel to have channel memberships. Well, I did announce this on the 24 Hours of Heart the other day, and now we're ready to announce it and launch it for you. So you can now hit that join button, which is underneath this video near our subscribe button. And what does that mean? It means that you can sign up to become a Hedgehog Hollow channel member. It costs $4.99 a month. Well, what do you get for your $4.99? So we have lots and lots of benefits for you. The biggest one are even more coupons. So you're used to having your Hedgehog Hollow coupons. They're always in those video descriptions, but we have expanded that program for our members. So there will be things such as $5 off a purchase, flat rates, 10–15% off a purchase. It might be larger percentages off a category of a purchase on certain websites. There might be a free gift with purchase. We're working with some of our favorite brands, Tonic, LDRS, Elizabeth Craft, some of the smaller companies that we love. We'll also be providing coupons as well. So you know some of the beautiful companies we work with, Allen Hudson, we work with Gina K, we work with Thermoweb, and we'll always be changing those coupons. So every single month you'll have a new selection of coupons. There'll be other coupons that pop in throughout the month, but every single month you'll have a fantastic selection of coupons. You'll be able to save way more than that $4.99 that you pay for your membership just through the purchase. So you might make one purchase and use that $5 off a purchase, and you've already saved more than you paid for your channel membership. But that's not all. We will also give you early access to some of our content. What does that mean for you? So you'll be able to get access to some of our videos earlier than just being able to search for it on YouTube. Why might you want that? Because I know how many of you wanted those sticky grids when I showed you how to put them on your MISTI, and they were always sold out because it was a great idea. We showed you Pixie Spray the other day, and I know it sold out super quick. So if you had early membership to our videos, you'd be able to shop that before everybody else, and you'd know how awesome those products were, and you'd be able to just go and hop onto those links and grab them first. Now also, you will get a birthday card from The Prickle. There will be a link to a Google form where you can hop on over and you can sign up for a birthday card. You'll get that in the mail come your birthday month. And we'll be sending those out to all of our channel membership subscribers. How cool will that be to get that on your birthday from all of us here at The Prickle? So that will be coming. You also get access to some exclusive badges and emojis. We have our little hedgehog, who you all see at the beginning and end of our videos. We have the emojis which show love and excited and happy, and you can wave high using our little hedgehog. They are super cute and they are exclusive. You can use those in super chats, and you can use them when we go live and our premieres, so you can use those. And then you get a badge that you can use to say that you are a Hedgehog Hollow member, and again, that's exclusive to our community. And then they change depending how long you've been a member. And again, they are super, super cute, and you can only get those as a Hedgehog Hollow channel member. Now, what else do you get? You also get access to exclusive video content that nobody else will get access to. Things like behind the scenes, extra videos. You'll be able to see things from Greg and I, how we make our videos, and some extra sneak peeks. You'll also get some exclusive Hedgehog Hollow codes and early access to our sales and information about our subscription boxes. So there's some extra benefits there for you too. And we'll also be having some fun lives here and there for our subscriber members. So lots and lots of benefits, lots of savings, early access to content, a fun birthday card. We can't wait to start sending those out to you. So many fun things to do. So you know what you need to do. You need to go below or go to our channel homepage, youtube.com/hedgehoghollow. Click that join button. We are going to have so much fun with our community. We cannot wait to share it with you. We're super excited that YouTube chose us out of all the amazing channels out there to be part of this channel membership program. We hope you want to be part of our community too and become part of the Hedgehog Hollow Prickle too. And I will see you again very soon. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye.